I feel like we've had a really good experience being a team driver. You always got somebody to support you, always got somebody to have your back. You're not just over the road handling things by yourself. We've had a good experience,
Yeah,
right?
we get along. We help each other out when we need to.
Some tips, I would say the biggest thing is don't deviate from your schedule. If you work at a certain time and that's your schedule, stay on that schedule with being a team.
Be very patient and talk stuff out. No arguing.
Yes, talk stuff out. I feel like anybody that has patience, that wants to be able to make very good money, very good money. Anybody that just has that drive that they want to succeed in this industry. We more so have dedicated routes, especially with Cummins. We have very good miles because it's two people. They don't want you sitting around, so you don't have to wait on loads. They're finna get you out there. If you're ready to work, they finna make sure you work.
It's guaranteed miles. Dedicated is real good. I feel like it's good because we already have a set route. Like we don't have to argue about loads or who's taking this route this day or looking for jobs to do.
We're not sitting up learning new states and having to figure out different routes. We know exactly what we're doing, when we're doing it. We know the best places to eat, the best place to take a shower. We know where we're going and how to get it done.
And we keep rolling.
Keep rolling.
We keep rolling. We know we don't have to stop for a 10-hour reset, trying to figure out where to park. We just keep it going.
We both have been with a few companies. We both have had other teammates. This is our retirement job.
Yeah.
We have made very good money here. They take good care of us. They treat us well. If we need any extra training, they make us confident in what we're doing, especially as female drivers. They make sure that we feel like we're capable of doing what they set us out to do.
Yep, they're very professional, but they treat us like family.
And we're not a driver number. Everybody in there knows us by
They
name.
know my name.
That's the biggest thing.
As soon as we walk in, hey twin.